Welcome to our quick guide on creating wireframes in Figma. Let's dive into the world of design. Start by launching Figma and creating a new file. Choose a frame size that fits your project needs. Utilize shapes and text to outline your wireframe. This is where your ideas begin to take shape. Add interaction notes to your design. This helps visualize user flows right from the start. Don't forget to organize your layers. Label everything clearly for easy accessibility. Finally, share your wireframe with the team for feedback. Collaboration enhances your design. As you finalize your wireframe, keep your audience in mind. Is it user-friendly and clear? Make any final tweaks for clarity. A clean design leads to better understanding. Remember to export your wireframe in the desired format. Get ready to present your ideas. Utilize plugins in Figma to automate repetitive tasks. This saves you valuable time. Finally, stay updated with Figma's new features. Continuous learning is key to modern design. Happy designing! Share your wireframes and transform your ideas into reality.